Hello everyone, welcome to today's video and thank you very much for checking on us today. Just a quick reminder, if today is the first time right here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, if you are a welcoming subscriber, meaning that if you already subscribed to the channel, you are welcome. And this is Volatility 75. We are going to talk about this particular pair today. And just remember, I think 3 days ago or 4 days ago, I did video analysis of this Volatility 75, explaining to you guys that is going to buy, right? So right now, let me go down to our time frame so I can show you where this particular pair was. And I told you that it's going to start buying, right? I think it was right here before I told you that, okay, this particular pair is going to go to the upside. And as you can see, boom, went up to the upside all the way to this point, right? From here to here, as you guys can see. But right now, in today's video, let me try to show you when I did the analysis. That means it's going to be before of it. So before we come back again and wait for today's analysis, right? So let's go back and watch that particular video. So you see that another thing is happening. So this is a lower high, higher low right here. Then this is another lower high, then high low. This is where the change started. This is where the change started from this part on this particular period now, and I think it will start buying from here. So this is where the change started, because the market's supposed to make another lower low right here, but instead the market is not able to do that. Rather than the market just calm down and make another a high low move, right? So this would have been an indication for me to know that, okay, the market is changing direction now. It's no more going to go down to the downside, because I'm seeing it is failing to make lower low move, right? So that would have been another false confirmation for me to know and get in for the buy right here. But according to, I don't trade this particular P&L as of now that kind of often, but it is what it is. I'm trying to do the analysis for you because a lot of you guys are still trading it, right? So yeah, this would have been a false indication for us to get in for the buy right here based on what we see, right? And of course, if you take your trend line, this, let me just try to demonstrate that real quick so that you can understand what's going on here. So as you guys can see, this kind of indicate that the market is going up to the upside, right? So yeah, I think this particular market structure is still going to go to the upside from here based on what I'm seeing here as well. So this is a high move. So this one right here, it is a high, and as you can see, this next candle either is bearish or bullish. We don't care about that. All we care for is, as you guys can see, at the current market structure, the market just came down for a high low, right? So this is high low move, and right here again, I'm seeing another price action signals or candlestick pattern, right? What is the candlestick pattern that I'm seeing right here? This is what we call a morning star. This is what we call morning star. And just bear in mind that it is at your key level already, being your previous resistance line. And right now in the uptrending market, resistance is turning to support, right? Resistance is turning to support in an uptrending market. And according to what we are seeing right here, the market is really changing direction to the upside, right? Despite the fact that on 4 hour time frame is kind of being in a range, but right here we are seeing some changes to the upside, right? So what we are supposed to do right here is, I'm seeing price action signal. So this from here to this, so these candles, these three candles that you see right here, it is what we call a morning star. Let me try to spot up. So from here, like this candle, these three candles, it is what we call a morning star in the forex market. So of course, this is just kind of hanging man. Yeah, this is a hanging man, and I regard it as a morning star as well. So so right now, this is an indication for us to get in for the buy. So the first confirmation is the market just came down for high and low, which is a retracement for an uptrending market. Right now, it is at our key level, being previous resistance level. Right now, acting as a support, right? And apart from that, which then the third confirmation, it is this um price action signal, which is the candlestick pattern, right? And the fourth confirmation is the market is actually moving to the upside right now. So yeah, I would have regard this as a buy opportunity, but you can still wait for it to come down to this level in order for you to buy it. Or you can risk it and your stop loss is going to be below right here, right? It's going to be below this previous week. So once the market break out of this level, definitely it will come down to this line in order for it to start buying all over again. So try as much as you can in order for you to know what is going to happen on this particular pair, right? But right now, according to what I'm seeing, this market is actually going to come up to this point in order for it to finish the move and maybe make another high move in order for it to continue moving to the upside, right? So yeah, we're trying to see what is going to happen on this particular pair as time goes on, right? So yeah, that's my opinion on this particular pair being um what do you call it? Being volatility 75. So right now, what I'm seeing on it is a buy signal. So right, okay, I haven't watched that. Thank you very much again, and you are welcome back to the analysis. So right now, we are going to be talking about the volatility 75. So I'm going to tell you what the next thing to do on this particular pair, right? So yep, and what I'm expecting on this particular pair is another move to the downside, right? But let's try to do the analysis first. Let it not be we are just kind of guessing or something like that. No. So let's do the analysis. Then I tell you what I'm thinking that might happen on this particular pair, right? So, yep, that's another one. So I'm just putting the support and resistance right now so that you can understand what I'm doing right here because that's very important, right? So these are support and resistance right now on this particular pair being volatility 75. So right now, these are the support and resistance. And this part, okay, that one has gone. We are supposed to have another one down below, but just forget about it. Yep. So right now, this is volatility 75. And remember, this is for our time frame, right? In our last video, I made mention of the market was right here. So let me try to put my this rectangle. Yep. So the market was right here when I did the analysis, right? And told you guys that okay, it's gonna buy all the way to the upside, and what the volatility 75 did, it actually bought to the upside. So that's an indication for you to know, okay, volatility 75 is actually um following the analysis that we are doing, right? That's why I'm doing another analysis for you today, right? So yeah, what I'm waiting for this volatility 75 to do next after you put your support and resistance. And apart from that, I don't just buy or sell blindly, guys. I don't do that. What I do is I look out for price action signals. So what are the price action signals? Are the candlestick patterns like a doji, a pimber, hanging man, dragonfly doji, gravestone doji, marabozu, morning star, evening star, tree soldier, and things like that, right? So right now, what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a tweezer stop right here. So this is a tweezer stop. That's why I'm doing this analysis so that you can know, okay, I will be expecting a sell on this particular pair, right? So since I'm doing this analysis today being 25th of October 2020, right, which is Sunday, and what I'm just expecting on this particular pair again, it is another move to this point. So I'll be expecting a move to this point before it will start moving to the upside again. As you can see right here, if this candle closes the way it is right now, this is what I call the tweezer stop. So since it is tweezer stop right here, how do we do for tweezer stop, or what does tweezer stop mean in the forex market? So whenever time you're having a tweezer stop, the market is actually going to sell. But remember, this tweezer stop and things like that, it must be at your key level. So it must be at your key level, and you must train your eye in order for you to be able to spot out the perfect tweezer stop, tweezer's bottom, or any other price action signal in the first market, right? As you guys can see. So yeah, I will be expecting this particular pair being volatility 75 to come down to this point before it will continue to buy to the upside, right? Excuse me. And apart from that, you have to put an eye regarding what's going on. So you see right here. So this is another place whereby volatility 75 can just come and bounce off of it to continue the move to the upside. So what you are supposed to be doing right here, it is you're supposed to just wait for it to break out of this. Once this particular zone get broken, you wait for it to come down to this level before it will start move to the upside again. And of course, I'll be updating you guys regarding whatsoever is happening on this particular pair being volatility 75, right? Remember, if you are subscribed to the channel, or if you are subscribed to my free Telegram channel, you know what I'm talking about, and you take advantage of my signals or my analysis, right? So that's why I say it's very, very important for you to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow us on our Telegram channel, also subscribe to our YouTube channel, right? Because it will help you to kind of be updated in whatsoever we are seeing the first market, or it will kind of help you to gain more ideas of or more knowledge when it comes to forex trading, right? Because I do share forex knowledge, how you can be profitable trading forex and things like that, and I show you also how to trade forex, and I give you signal as well. So right now, after this candle closes, definitely I assure you that the market is going to fall to this level. Remember my previous analysis that I did, the market was right here, and I told you that the market is going to buy to the upside. So calculate it, and right now the market moved to the upside right here, and it is pretty obvious, right? So right now, I'll be expecting the market to come down to this level before it will start the buy. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Please guys, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also give this video a thumbs up, right? So once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and I thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time in our YouTube video. Peace out guys. I'm signing out.